Hi everyone, welcome to Self Investment Channel. In this channel, we will talk about the dividends. What is a dividend? Portfolio investment entity, PIE, ex-dividend date, recorded date, payment date, and where do I start? What is a dividend? A dividend is the distribution of businesses' profits to eligible shareholders. Dividend payments are amounts of money that are determined by a company board of directors or businesses. Dividends are payments made by companies or businesses as an incentive or reward to investors for putting their money into that company. Ex dividend date. The ex dividend date is the date before shareholders are eligible for the dividends of the company based on the amount of shares owned by the individual. The ex dividend date is like what they called X date, which comes one business day before the recorded date. It's a day investors need to purchase a stock or shares of the company if they want to receive a dividend payout. If you don't buy the stock or shares before the ex dividend date, the dividend will go to the seller. Recorded dividend date. The recorded date is the date all shares traded are recorded or counted for the dividend payouts. It's usually and always 2 days prior to the trading time. The date of record is the day on which the company checks its records to identify shareholders of the company. An investor must be listed on the date to be eligible for a dividend payout. The date of payment is the day the company mails out dividends to all shareholders of record. So basically, it is a day that records all the shareholders or all the shares that you have bought so that the company can distribute its dividend payout. Payment date. Payment date is the date all dividends are paid out to the shareholders that own shares prior to the ex-dividend date. The payment date is the day on which the recorded shares or stock dividend is more like paid to the eligible shareholders. This date can be up to a month after the ex-dividend date. Where do I start? You need to register with a stockbroker. That is, you can find a list of stockbrokers on the stock exchange. Example, in New Zealand, you need to go onto the NZX website or www.nzx.com and you look for find a participant. Each country that have a stock exchange will have a stockbroker that is called a participant. Every stockbroker have different charges and you just need to go on the stock exchange website of the country and find them. You will need to get yourself registered and complete some information, and then you begin your journey on increasing your asset portfolio. This is all about creating awareness for us, you, me, community, friends, individuals, and to help with our individual self investments. Investing in yourself, myself, with knowledge and money. Thank you for watching. If you like this channel, click your likes and click on the button to see more info and context. If you have any questions